Hello student, in the series of methods, today we discuss about direct method. As well as you have seen already in the last video, method, approach and technique, we already discussed about there are two types of method, old methods and new methods. So in the series of old methods, first is grammar cum translation method. So after that, grammar cum translation method is the oldest and classical method. After that, the teaching of history, a new method, but called it classical method, and a series of old methods, direct methods. So we can say that against of grammar cum translation method, this method came to the history of teaching. After that, we can say the origin. First of all, it is originated in the France. After that, it used for teaching. It used for teaching, especially in Germany, very fast. As well as you know that the word is direct. So definition is the same. A person who teaches in the same language. Same as well, English to English, Hindi to Hindi and Sanskrit to Sanskrit. Generally, exclusively or target language should be taught through this method. Generally, we taught the target language is only teaching of English. Teaching of English. The unit of teaching in this method is sentence. You know already the unit of teaching in grammar cum translation method is word. Because that method word to word translation by the pupil teacher. But in this method, sentence to sentence translated by the pupil teacher in the classroom. Next is other name of these methods. First is called reform method. Reform method. Why do we say reform method? Because it is against through grammar cum translation method. So a reform came in the teaching of history. So it is called direct method and the other name of reform method. Next one is natural method. As well as you know, we teach in the same language in the natural way through the principle of habit formation. So the language should be come to the learner in automatically. So it is the habit of natural way. So it is called natural method also. Some of the merits of these methods. Number one is that 4 skills are compulsory to learn any language. We have already told about LSRW. LSRW. You know, in grammar cum translation method, listening, reading, writing aspect, but not speaking. So one of the other method also search, that is direct method. In this method, the pupil teacher stress on speaking ability also, listening also, but neglected reading and writing. So it is also called only speaking ability, fluency developed through this method, but reading and writing aspect not completed through this method. So it is also uncompleted method. One of the major activities in this method is that students can ask the question to the pupil teacher. So, student-centered method. Student-centered method. Although in grammar cum translation method, pupil teacher-centered method, but in this method, students can ask the same language which is used by the pupil teacher from questioning and answering also. So, interaction of the students can be developed through this method, and speaking ability also developed by this method. Students and no hesitation, extra confidence can be shown by the pupil teacher in the classroom through the students. One of the activities is the most part of this method, because given the task to the students and asked to say some words about the topic. So that is activities done by the pupil teacher in the classroom through the students, that is important. Next is teaching aid. Teaching aid is compulsory. You know, some situation create in the classroom, but how to create in the classroom by the pupil teacher. So through teaching aid, suppose that fan, tube light are also equipments which are already available in the classroom. So by these equipments or objects, automatically situation created. So most of the time used by the pupil teacher to create situation in the classroom through the teaching aid. Sometimes it is used by some direct object also, or sometimes it is used through the models, charts, maps, etc. So this is also very expensive method. So some of the demerits. First is very expensive method. Very expensive method. Not trained teachers in the teaching through this method, because in Rajasthan most areas of government schools belong to the teachers not used in the classroom fluency, so they cannot teach easily through language to language teaching. They always use mother tongue, as you know, mother tongue. But in these methods prohibited the mother tongue, so there is no place of mother tongue in this method. So no trained teachers, deficiency of trained teachers in this method. One of the other reason, not used for overcrowded classes, for overcrowded. In this method we can teach only 30 to 40 students in a single time in the classroom. 30 to 40 students can be attracted by the teacher one by one in a single period. Not easily, but we can say something. But out of 60 or 70, it cannot be used in the classroom by the pupil teacher through these methods. So this is also failed method. After this method, one of the new methods came in the teaching of history, that is bilingual method. Next video we can teach about this method.